Blue Diamond has put many years of experience and development in a pickup broom that thrives in both the roadwork and rental industries. The pickup broom from Blue Diamond has a simple, clean design that gives added structure to typical wear and damage-prone areas. The oversized 3/4-inch thick cutting edge protects and adds strength to the front of the bucket, significantly extending the consumable life. The wear bars welded underneath protect the bucket from premature wear. Blue Diamond's pickup broom is designed to last. With oversized spindles, 6-inch bearings, and grease fittings on all moving parts, you can trust that each component will do its part. Sweep with confidence with the 7-inch tall protective bumper, guards on the motor and shaft, and heavy-duty dump stops. This pickup broom is packed with features that make your life easier. The bolt-on skirting keeps debris under the hood, and the steps mounted on the bucket provide safe access to your machine. The optional water kit includes a low-profile tank that offers best-in-class visibility of the work area. Get the most out of the pickup broom bristles with 4 positions on the robust height adjustment pins. These pins can be adjusted on the job without any tools. With the available sweeping widths from 60 to 96 inches and the optional gutter brush, you can be sure that Blue Diamond has a pickup broom to fit your application. Check out the full line of Blue Diamond's brooms at BlueDiamondAttachments.com.